Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss update. Let's get started video without wasting your time. So guys, first of all, open settings on your iPhone, iPad. After that, tap on profile icon and then tap on sign in. Click here. After that, tap on forget your password. Now tap it. Now we can see it's asking enter your email address. Tap your Gmail address. Now tap it, tap on continue. After that, is problem verification field. There was a problem connected to server. So how to recovering Apple ID without verifications? So back home screen, close the page again, open App Store app and then tap on profile and then click on sign in. Tap on forget your password. Now is type your Gmail account Apple ID. Now tap it. So click on continue. After that, it is new appear on screen. Now we can see it's asking confirm your phone number, trusted phone number on your Apple ID. Click here. Now tap on continue. After that is asking reset your password verification code sent to your trusted phone number. Type send code. Now check your phone number and type here trusted. Click here. Now we can see it's verifying and waiting few seconds. Enter iPhone passcode. Unlock this iPhone also help you again access to your Apple ID account. Waiting a few seconds. Now enter a new password, type here. Again retype password. Click on continue. Again type here. Tap continue. So again type your password new and re-enter password and then continue and sign in Apple ID on your phone. So guys, if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment. I help you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching video. Thank you.